My first aide was a military man. Si Lieutenant, si Jimboy, kabarkada niya, namatay. Tapos sabi niya, kung wala pa akong kapalit, many years ago, nag-volunteer siya. Sabi ko, sige. Pero mahusay, Senator Bongo. Pero walang ito bright ito. Bright talaga ito. Chinese eh. Ang check, magkwenta ito sa yung mga finances namin, gano'n. Hindi na magamit ng calculator. Dito lang. Putang ako nga, 1 plus 1, 3 na.
The Chinese Foreign Minister na si Mao Ning ay nagsabi ng isang too little, too late response sa pagkakaresto kay Duterte na huwag raw politikahin ang kanyang trial at halata ang double standards, of which, si Putin din naman hindi nahuli. So, is that really double standards? Like, it's double standard in a sense na doesn't really benefit your argument at yung allies mo kasi the only person who would be convicted is brown or African. Like, hindi lang si BBM ang nagkanulo kay Duterte. Kaya pumunta si Duterte sa China ay para mapigilan ang paghuli sa kanya, probably to live in exile until Duterte becomes president. Meanwhile, Marcos is losing the public perception game only kept afloat by the kakampinks, human rights advocates, and regular human with a brain and a heart. Kian Baste also filed a petition for the Supreme Court to return his father to the Philippines to have his constitutionally guaranteed rights, a court he himself has backed.